Hello friends, now we are going to see about Edmodo. Edmodo is nothing but a learning management system. Edmodo, and we need to log in here. Yes, need to sign in through my mail ID. I am signing in and authentication with Google successful. Okay, and now the page will appear. Here already I have this class. These are my classes, and now I am going to create a new class. Click here, create a class, and we need to give the information regarding the class. Just I am giving, and if you want you can give some description here. It is optional, and select a grade. I am selecting, and select subject as a subject. Yes, we can change the color also. Yes, create. The class has been created, and now we can invite our students. See here, add students. Here we have to invite our students. Invite students and other teachers. We can invite students, teachers, and sometimes if you need you can invite parents also. Now I am going to show how to invite our students. Here we have three options to invite our students to our classroom by sharing the class code. See here, this is the class code, and share a PDF and invite by mail. Okay. Now we will move to the class. And this is our class. And here we can post some discussions and share class materials with our students. Now I am going to start a discussion. That is just I am sending hi message. See here we need to post, and it will appear here, and we can also create a poll. If you want the suggestion or opinion about a particular thing, we can create a poll here. For example, I am creating a poll that is tomorrow shall we have a test. I am asking the students, just I need to create a poll. The option is yes and the other option is no. And post here, and this page will appear, this in the discussion box it will appear, that is yes option and no option. If the students give yes means the percentage here will increase. We can select the vote, and we can come to a conclusion about a particular discussion. And another thing, go here, see here the wellness check. Here we can check the wellness of the students. How are you feeling today? This is my question, and these are all the options. Just I am posting. We shall know the wellness of our students by seeing this post. And one more thing, we can create our assignments, quiz, and then jumpstart activity. In this two things are there. For assignment we can create new assignment, or else load the existing assignment from our other classes. Likewise for quiz program also we can create a new quiz, or the loading the existing quiz. See here assignments, and for quiz also the same thing. Next, now we are going to create a new assignment. Click new here, and I am going to give an assignment, historical perspectives of education. education I am giving, and here we can give some instructions regarding the assignment. Submit in time, and one more thing, I am going to give the page limit here, not exceeding 10 pages. This is a small instruction from my side, and we can also add supportive files to the students. And now we can assign the assignment. Go here, assign. We can also select the due date to this assignment. Just click this, and I am giving a time, and we can also lock after due date. Just give this, and this assignment mark will be added to the grade book. See here, in progress it will be added. Yes, I am assigning. Once we assign here, automatically it will comes here. See here. Historical perspectives of education, the assignment given, and due is this date we have given, and we have assigned. So far no one I have viewed and not submitted. This is what how to create an assignment. We can also see here, we can also load the existing assignments also. And now go to this quiz. We can create a new quiz, and also the existing quiz we can add. Now I will give an example, and then we will make use of that existing quiz. See here, we need to give the quiz details. Quiz title is general knowledge I am giving, and some instructions we can give here. Answer all the questions. Okay, that's all. And the quiz question here, see here, this is a menu here: true or false question, multiple choice, short answers, filling the blanks, matching, multiple answer. We can give any type of question here, and the total number of question will appear here, and total points we can see here. And we can also add questions and add response for that particular question. We can also attach the files, add links, or add from our library. And one more thing, we have to give the correct answer for every questions. And here we can also have the duplicate questions, or if you want, you can also delete the unnecessary questions. So this is what how to create a quiz. Now I'm going to see here, I'm going to create a quiz that is existing. Load existing. Now already I have an assignment, quiz. See here, this I am going to take load quiz, and the quiz detail is this one. And now we will see the quiz questions. Already I have, just I will explain. And this is the true or false question. Here the question is, Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin. This is a true or false question. The student has to answer whether it is true or false. See here, I have chosen the right answer, that is the correct answer is true, and we are going to give 1 point for this particular question. And we can also attach files and add link, and we can add from library. And the next question we move for the next question, that is multiple choice question. Here, multiple choice. See here, I have given 3 choices for this particular question. How many rings are on the Olympic flag? The right answer is 5. So I have chosen as the right answer 5. And we can also grade point for every question and duplicate the question, and we can also delete if you don't want. And the third question is fill in the blanks. Click here. See here, a special thing here. We should use an underscore to specify where you would like a blank to appear in the text below. and here I have given a blank space, that is the underscore, and we have to give the answer of that particular blank, and I have also graded points for that. And the fourth question is matching. Find the correct combination. Here I have given some responses. The student has to select the correct combination of this response, and then the final last question is multiple answer. Here we have given the question and we have given multiple answers. See here, which of the following are aquatic: dog, whale, fish, cat, and the student have to select what are all the aquatic animals, and then I am going to assign. Yes, I am assigning, and I am going to select the due date. Just click this one, and this is the date and time, and we can also lock after the due date, and I have assigned the time limit for this. I have assigned 20 minutes for this, and the other options are we can randomize the question, add to grade a book, and show results to students upon the completion. And this is what how to create the assignment and the quiz program. Now we will move to, once we create that, see here, it will appear here. Here we have seen the assignments, and now we will move for the class, and we have given the general knowledge quiz program with 5 questions and minutes, and we need to answer all the questions. This I have given, and here we can create folders, and we can also add members of our classroom, and sometimes we can create a small group by using this option, creating a small group. Yes, like this we have to create, and this is what how to create a classroom in Edmodo, and we can distribute, how to distribute the quizzes, assignments, and manage and communicate with our students, colleagues, and parents.